Very good morning, children. Hope you have done the test well. FA1. Yes. Now in today's class, we are going to go with the further topics. Okay. Now let us revise what all we have done it in the previous classes, and then we'll go to the new topic. What was the things what you learned in the previous classes? You learned about the general formula. In each and every class, you will be having 5 minutes revision. Okay. So general form, how are you going to write general form? A plus D, A plus 2D, and it goes on up to A plus N minus 1 into D, correct? This is the general form of an arithmetic progression. After this, what did you learn? General formula, correct? What is the general formula? What is the general formula of an arithmetic progression? The general formula of an arithmetic progression is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the general formula of an arithmetic progression. What is the AN? AN is the nth term value. Okay, now I have come across so many doubts regarding this AN and L. I'll tell you. Now 1, 2, 3 and it goes on up to 50. Okay, now what is AN? This can be taken as AN also L. It can be taken as AN and you can take it as L also. Okay, because it is the value of the nth term. L is also the value of the nth term. I want the value. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ if I take lace packet, if I go to the grocery shop and if I take lace packet, so what is the value of that lace? It might be 5 rupees lace, it might be 10 rupees or 25 rupees or 100 rupees lace. So I want that particular value. That particular value is AN or L. So how many lace you are going to take? How many? If I'm going to take 5 lace, that is N value. For 5 lace, it is 50 rupees. Did you understand? For 10 lace, it is 50 rupees. For 20 lace, it is 50 rupees. So, the value of lace is AN or L. Number of lace packets you have taken as N. So, there is difference in AN value and N value. Okay? Do not get confused. So, AN is the last term. AN is the last term. That is the nth term value. Then what is A? A is always the first term, okay? And N is the number of terms you have or number of, as I've given the example, number of lace packets you have taken, that is N, and D is the common difference. So, if you take 5 rupees lace and 10 rupees lace, so what is the common difference between them? 5 rupees is the common difference. So, D is 5. Bigger minus the smaller, which gives you D value. Clear? So this was the thing. This N value, where all you put, you will be putting to all the questions until and unless they give you as find the AN value from the last term. From the last term. Until and unless they give you this sentence, till then you will be applying AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D formula. If they give you that, if they give you find the AN value from the last term in the AN value na kandidiri antande, then what are you, which is the formula? AN is equal to, in place of A you are going to put L minus N minus 1 into D. L minus N minus 1 into D. Now, you would have a doubt now. What is AN? What is L? What is this AN and what is L? AN is which value they have given. For example, I'll give you that for 50 rupees. Okay? My value will be 50 rupees and I'll ask you to find out A20. I'll ask you to find out 20th term. They might give you A20, find A20 from the last or find the 20th term from the last. So this is the sequence. So what is the value of going to take? A20 is equal to L value is 50 minus how much is N value? 20 minus 1 into the common difference, whatever you get. Clear? However, you are finding the common difference here. That is A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. Same formula you are going to do. Same formula, but in place of A, you are going to put L. That's all. So I hope your doubts are being cleared now. I have come across such a doubts while doing the corrections. So these kinds of doubts is being cleared, I think. So now in today's class, we are going to start with the new topic of this lesson, that is the sum of nth term. Sum of nth term. Till now you were finding the nth term value. Nth term value ಏನಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಿ. Now the number of things will be given. You are going to sum it up and find out what is the value. So now summation of nth term. You are going to find out the summation of nth term. How is that? Now if I have the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes on, and if I ask you to find n20, in a given AP, find the sum of 28 terms. In a given AP, find the sum of 28 terms. Then what is the formula? There is no derivation for you. If there was a derivation also, it will be very easy. That is a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Using that, we can derive the formula. Since you do not have, let me give you the direct formula. That is an is equal to, Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general formula. This is the general formula for the summation. As you have the general formula, ಇಲ್ಲಿ general formula ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ. Until and unless they ask you to find the sum of n terms from the last, till there you are going to put this formula. Clear? So Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is this S? It is the sum of the given AP. Okay. What is this n? N is the value of. So which is the value? So 20 is the value. Then here also it is 20 divided by 2 and 2 into, what is the A value? A plus D, or it is 1, 2, A plus 3, A plus 2D. This is A3, A plus 3D, this is A4. Correct? A1 is always equal to A, which is equal to 1. So A value is 1 plus N is how much? 20 minus 1, and you need to find D. D formula is A2 minus A1. So what is A2 value? 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is also 1. 4 minus 3 is also 1. So S20 is equal to 2 ones are 2. How much are 20? 2 tens are. So 10 into 2 into 1, 2 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 1. So S20 will be equal to 10 into 2 plus 19. 2 plus 19 is how much, children? As board mass rule, we need to take out the bracket first and then do the sum. So if I want to remove the bracket, 10 into 19 plus 12 is how much? 21. So what is the sum of the 20th term for the given AP? 20 into 10 is 210. 210 is the sum of the 20th term for the given AP. Did you understand? This is the way you are going to do. But this is an example, that's all. I wanted to give you an example. We have the formula. Let me write all the things of this formula and then do the sum. Clear? So now we are going to learn the sum of nth terms. What is the formula to find out the sum of nth term? Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Sn? Sum of nth term. Sum of nth term. N is Number of terms. What is n in general formula? Number of terms. Same it is. Then A is the first term. Correct? Then n is the, you have written already n, it is the number of terms. Then what is left? D. D is common difference, where D formula is given as A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, and it goes on up to D is equal to AN minus AN minus 1. Okay, so this is the formula and these are the terms what you are going to use in this formula. Now, ma'am, it is too long. I cannot remember this formula because it is too long. Okay, let me make it short. To make it short, what is the formula? How are you going to make it short? Sn is equal to n by 2. Let me write that 2a in the split terms, that is a plus a. 1a plus 1a, 1a plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2a, correct? Into plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so a plus n minus 1 into d is what, children? A plus n minus 1 into d is what? You remember? Yes, it is an. That is the general formula of an arithmetic progression, correct? So, Sn will be equal to n by 2 a plus an. Why an? Because a plus n minus 1 into d is an. Understood? You can use this formula also. There is nothing in using this formula. You can also use this formula. Clear? But the standard form is this. We will go with this only. For the verification, if you want to verify, you can do it in this. These two formulas are same. Okay, these two formulas are same. If you want, I'll take an example and I'll solve it to you. Both the answers you get the same. But the thing is, that is bigger one formula and this is shorter one formula. That's all. Clear? And you have one more formula. Innone formula. Since you have learned the an formula from the last term. Last term in the barbekadre an formula ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, let me also teach you the Sn formula. Yes, from the last. If they ask you from the last or if they give you the value of the last term, then what happens? Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n plus n. How to remember, ma'am, all these three formulas? Formulas are only headache. First, remember these things. Over. Finish. Remember one formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Finish. Now, if you split this 2a, you get aa. Correct? A plus n minus 1 into d is an. An is also called as the last term. Correct? So, in place of an, you can put L. Simple. In place of an, you can put L. So, it becomes the last term value, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. Clear about this, children? I hope everything is clear. Let me write here. So, summation formula to find the nth term. Sum of nth term. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It will be difficult to you to remember all the formulas since I'll write it each and every time. You are also going to tell with me so that you remember the formulas very clearly. Okay? Then, if not this lengthy formula, what are you going to remember? Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. A plus an. Now, since you have here from the last term, even summation formula will also come from the last term. So, what is the summation formula for the last term? Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n. Correct? From the last term, summation is sum of nth term from last term. So Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. RM 6 formulas. That's all. Simple 6 formulas. Okay. Now we are going to take the problems based on each and every formula and solve from now. Okay. Now let me take example number 1. That is example number 11. So let me make you to remember only one formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d for right now for the time base. So example number 11. I'll be solving based on both the formulas. So look at which formula is comfortable for you. Please go for that, and most of all the children, make sure that you are going to use the first formula. Okay, this is the standard formula for the Sn to find out the sum of nth terms, and this is rarely used. I'll say you when to use this formula, but keep it in your mind that you are going to use the standard formula. Okay. Then the 11th example number 11 is find the sum of first 22 terms of an arithmetic progression 8, 3, 2 minus 2. So sum of how many terms you are going to find? 22 terms. Correct? Now what is the arithmetic progression they have given? 8, 3, minus 2. And it goes on. Correct? 8, 3, minus 2. These are the things they have given. Now, what is the Sn formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, Sn, you want n value. What is n value? 22. Okay. Then a you want. Let me type a1, a2, a3. Now, a1 will be equal to a, which is 8. Correct? Then d. A2 minus A1. So 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 is how much, children? 5. Which 5? Plus 5 or minus 5? Minus 5. Very good. D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 2. A2 is 3. Minus sign. When minus signs are there, you are going to add. So 2 plus 3 is 5. D value is 5. Let me substitute in the formula. S22 is equal to 22 divided by 2 into 8 plus 22 minus 1 into minus 5. Correct? Now, 2 ones are 2 11s are. So 11 into 2 8s are 16. Very good. 22 minus 1 is 21 into minus 5. So it is 11 into 16 plus. Plus into minus is minus. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Correct? 105 minus. In 105 you need to take out 16. This becomes 9, 15. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 3 is. So it is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Correct? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Correct. So 10 minus 1, the 9 minus 1 is 8. So it is 11 into 89. Which sign, children? Which is the greater number? 105 is the greater number. So minus 89 you get. 18 minus 89 into 11, how much? 9 ones are 9. 8 plus 9 is 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. And again 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So it is minus 970. 9 is the sum of 22 terms. Correct. So sum of therefore S22 will be equal to minus 979. That's all. Now I have used the lengthiest formula and I have done. Now you ask me whether both the formulas give you the same answer. So let me check whether both the formulas give me the same answer or not. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. Correct? Now you need to find out an value. Yes, 22 is equal to 22 divided by 2 into what is the a value? 8 plus a 22. You know where is a22 value? You do not have a22 value. Find out a22 value. I'll do it here. A22 is equal to a plus 21d. 8 plus 21 into minus 5. 8 minus 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Same you get. Only 1 8 is different. That's all. Same you get. Only 1 8 is different. See here, only 1 8 is different. Correct? So how much you get? 15, and this is 9. 9 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. And only that, 97. 2 ones are 2, 11s are 11. 8 minus 97. Check children, it is 97, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 97 itself. And in 97, now you need to subtract 8. Correct? That is minus 97. So the answer what you get is also in minus sign. So 97 and 8. This becomes 8 and this becomes 17. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 and this is 9. Same you got here. Same you got here. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4th step. Here also 1, 2, 3. In the third step only you got the answer. But extra what you are going to do? You are going to find out A22 value. Correct? A22 value you are going to find it out. And then again you need to substitute here and then do. So I hope this is tougher than this. Here only one formula, everything substitution and then finding out the answer. Here formula plus another substitution and then finding out the answer. Clear? So for verification, if you want, you can keep, but I'll tell you when to use this formula. Okay, do not worry about that until and unless you please solve this formula. You use this formula and solve the questions. Okay. Now let me go to the next, that is exercise part, exercise 1.3 part. Okay. Exercise 1.3 first main. Yeah. How many sums you have in exercise 1.3? You hardly have 4 sums, that's all. Only 4 sums you have. So 2 I'll do, 2 you are going to do. Exercise 1.3. Now, which you are going to do, which I am going to do? I'll do 2 and 4, you do 1 and 3. Okay? Homework. First sum and second sum. I'll write the questions afterwards. Let me do the, first and third sum, and let me do the second and fourth sum. Understand how the things are being done and then you start doing, children. It will be very easy for you. Okay. So second one is what? Find sum of the following arithmetic progression. So it is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, up to 12th term. Up to 12th term. Okay. Now lift 3 lines and then write the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula what you have known for finding the sum of the nth terms. Okay, then looking at the formula, write the things. N you need to find out first. What is N? How much is N? The last term is 12th term you need to find. So N got over. Then A. For finding A, you are going to number the terms in pencil. So A1 will be equal to A, which is equal to minus 37. Correct? Minus 37. Then you need to find D value. D is equal to A2 minus A1. So what is the D value? A2 value? Minus 33 minus of minus 37. Okay. So minus 33. Minus into minus is plus 7. So in 7, if 3 goes how much? 4. What 4 it is? Plus 4. Correct? Let me check. A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 29 minus of minus 33. So it is how much, children? So minus 29 plus 33. Here 9 is greater and 3 is lesser. So if you subtract directly you get 6. No, that is not a right way. 33 and 29. So 2, 1, 9. So now 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So here also it is 4. Clear? So now D value got 4. Now substitute everything. S. N value is 12. 12 divided by 2 into 2. What is A value? Minus 37 plus 12 minus 1. D value is 4. Brackets are very important, children. Do not forget to close the brackets. 2 how much are 12? 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 1 carry. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Minus 74 plus 11 into 4. Correct? So what happens? The 12th term S12 will be 6 into minus 74 plus 44. Now you need to subtract it as 74 minus 44. 0 and 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. You get it as 30. I'll do it here. So S12 will be equal to 6 into 30. Which is the greater number here? 74. So what is the 74 symbol? Minus. Multiply. 6 zeros are 0. 6 3s are 18. Plus into minus is minus. So S12 value is what, children? 180. Let me check. Yes, it is minus 180. Clear? Is this clear? So you are going to left three lines here in between and write the formula. If you do not know how to take the terms, write the formula. Looking at the formula, you can take the terms. Okay, which to take, which not to take. Understood? I hope it is understood and clear for you. And the next sum, that is the fourth sum. Divide the board. What is the fourth one? 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, up to 11 term. What did I tell you? Left gap, write the SN formula. SN formula is what? Let me listen from your side. So SN is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Correct? And now N value is what, children? 11. Let me number it. A1, A2, A3. So A1 will be equal to A, which is equal to 1 by 15. Now D I cannot do it here. Let me do it here. D is equal to A2 minus A1, since I need to take LCM and all. So 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Thus 12 and 15 goes in same table. Only table only 15 and 12 goes. Yes, 3 4s are 3 5s are correct. When there is same number, when the denominator is going in the same table, at that time you are going to take the highest number. Which is the highest number? 15 is the highest number. Clear? So here in the numerator you need to get 15. Correct? Yes? Three fives are 15. 15. LCM is 60, I'm sorry. Yeah, when the denominator is different, you are going to multiply it, and same here also the denominators are different, so I'm going to multiply it. So you get 60. So 2 how much is 6? 12 how much is 60? 12 5s are 60. So it is 5 and 15 how much are 60? 15 4s are 60. So it is 4. You get 1 by 60 as the common difference. As the common difference here, A3 minus A2, which is equal to 10 minus 12. So you get it as 12 and 10, it goes in 2. 2 6 are, 2 5s are, 3 2s are, 5s are, 5 1s are, and this is 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are, 6 5s are 30, 30, 2s are 60. 10 into 6, 12 into 5. So it is 6 minus 5, which is 1 by 60. So D value you get it as 1 by 60. S12 is equal to 11 divided by 2 into 2, what is A value? 1 by 15 plus 1, 11 minus 1, and D value is 1 by 60. Correct? So is equal to 11 by 2, 2 by 15 plus 10 into 1 by 60. So 0 0 get cancelled. You will be left with S11 is equal to 11 by 2, 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Correct? Now 6 and 15 goes in which table? 3 table. 6 and 15, 3 2s are, 3 5s are, 2 1s are, 5 1s are. So 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are, 6 5s are 30. So 11 by 2 into this 30, 15, 2s are 30, 3 2s are 6, 5s are 30. So 2 2s are 4 plus 5 is equal to 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. Okay. 2 5s are 10.5. Then 5 1 1s are 5, 6 are 30, 3 2s are 3 3s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 point again 1 5. So you get it as 1.1 into 1.5. So 5 5 plus 1 1 5 6 1. So it is 1 16 point 33 divided by 20. 33 divided by 20 is 10. 111.6.5. So it is 1.65 itself. See here 1 and 1 decimal point. So after 2 you are going to put it as 1.65 is the answer. See children, here everything is completely based on LCM. You can multiply and keep the answer as it is in the fraction also. Here in the sum formula, there is no need of making it into the number form. Okay, you can keep it in the decimal fraction also, fraction form. You can take it in the decimal sign. If you want to if you get the answer in the negative also, do not get panic. The negative numbers will also come. If you get the positive numbers also, you can keep the positive numbers. So in the sum, you are going to add, subtract, take the LCM, divide the things very carefully. Okay, here I did. Initially, I did it with 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10.5. So it is 5.5. Then in 5.5, I divided 30. That is 5 ones are 5, 0.5 ones are 5. So I get it as 5 6 are 30. So 6 and 9 goes in 3 tables. Then 6 2s are 3 2s are and 3 3s are. Then 2 1s are and 5s are. Then I multiplied here. I got 165 as the answer. Then here I have one value and one value. 1 plus 1 is 2 numbers I have. So after 2 numbers, I'm going to put the decimal value. So it is 1.65. And if you, in the answer, the last back sheet, they have given us 33 divided by 20. You can keep it as it is, that is 33 divided by 20, or you can take it as 99 divided by 60 also. Okay, 99 divided by 60. If you do it by 99 divided by 60, how much you get? 99 divided by 60, 3 2s are, that is 20, 3 3s are, that is 33 divided by 20 itself. Okay, they have kept it in the fraction form as it is, but have converted it into decimal form. It is your choice, in whichever form you want, you can do it. But the answer should be correct. Okay, then I've told you I'll write the question for the first one and the third one. So the first one question is, it is 2, 7, 11, it goes on up to 10 term. 10th term you are going to find. Then third sum is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100th term. 100 terms. So I hope you do these two problems, children. If you find any difficulty, you can come and ask. If there is difficulty, if so many students have not been understanding the third sum how to solve, I'll be solving it in the class. So I hope this summation formula, that is the summation regarding the sum formulas, it has been clear for you how to take the terms, how to do the formula. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can come and ask me. Please do complete the classwork as well as the homework. And one more thing is, you do not keep on asking me when the classwork has been uploaded, when the homework has been uploaded. As I do these sums on the board, you start working out. Okay, when the classwork and the homework is been uploaded, you check whether the sum what you have done is correct or wrong. Then you can see to the mistake what you have done. Until and unless you do it by yourself, you cannot learn, children. So I'll request you people to learn it and get clear with the videos what it has been uploaded, and see things what you are going to learn in the things what you have missed. Okay, then the LCM what I have missed, I'm really sorry for that. When there is same number, when the numbers are going in the same table, we should do the LCM and find out. That is the mistake what I did. I'm really sorry for that. And this completes the first main of the summation based sums, and I'll be continuing the second and the third main in the next class. Thank you very much, children.